Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, when people mess with the wrong cops, you'll see how simple mistakes quickly spiral out of control when people choose to resist the law, all caught on Dashcam in real time.
Can you not spray water?
Okay, go ahead, put your phone down. Come on, step out for me, okay?
A routine traffic stop for speeding in Flagler County seemed completely ordinary, but just minutes into the check, police discovered the man was wanted for murder. The situation escalated when the suspect began aggressively resisting. Resisting law enforcement only made his outcome much worse.
Back to my car until we're finished with our investigation. You are not under arrest at this time.
Hands behind the head again. Hands behind your head again. Don't be reaching in your pockets, just hands behind your head, okay?
Relax. Spread your feet.
Let's go.
Stop resisting now! Hands all the way behind your back! Hands all the way behind your back! You're gonna get tased! Stop! Stop! Turn around now! Turn around now! On your stomach!
Get your other arm out.
Police responded to a disturbance in a classroom where the suspect repeatedly argued with the instructor and staff. She refused to cooperate, continued arguing, and the situation escalated when she became physically aggressive. Officers were forced to use force to restrain and arrest her. Challenging the law is never a wise decision.
So I feel a certain way about certain things that you might not think of because you don't know. You don't understand what went on. Because I tried to explain myself, you don't want to hear what I have to say. You talk, you have to say it. Because I was at there with you when you like, because you don't know. We can take it there. We can take it there. You just put your hands on me. I didn't put my hands on you. I'm trying to talk to you. Stop. Don't take. Hey, ma'am.
Get down. Down. Put your hands behind your back.
Police initiated a traffic stop after the system showed the woman's driver's license was suspended. Tensions quickly rose when officers informed her the vehicle would be impounded. She immediately argued and resisted, ultimately driving away. In the end, despite her resistance, she was still arrested. Resisting the law has never been a smart choice.
Yes, I can. How can you not? You're not my boss, you're not my daddy. There's a Supreme Court ruling that says you need to get back in your car. Now get back in your car. Get out of the car. Turn on the camera back. Get out of the car.
Okay.
I'm sorry, I'm just after.
No, that's fine. So I'm trying to figure out, so
Police responded after a mother reported that her son was in a heated argument with neighbors and appeared out of control. Upon contact, he shouted, insulted, and threatened violence, completely refusing to cooperate despite repeated commands to calm down. The situation became tense, forcing officers to arrest him. There is only one ending for disorderly conduct and resisting the law.
God, bro! You better figure the fuck out!
Okay.
Put your goddamn hand behind your fucking back! You're good, you're good, you're good, you're good!
You're telling me this is okay? I'm good. I'm good.
Will you put down the axe?
Police approached and ordered the man to put down the weapon. He ignored commands and walked away. The situation escalated further when he drew a gun. He immediately paid the price for his actions.
Hey, he has a gun. Hey, he has a gun. Hey, drop it. Drop it out.
Florida police were called to a hotel after a guest involved in a theft refused to leave. The woman became aggressive, argumentative, and repeatedly threatened to call her lawyer. Despite being ordered to leave, she stubbornly insisted on waiting for a taxi inside the hotel. The situation escalated, and the law would not tolerate her resistance.
Walk over this way before you go to jail, period. I don't care. I'm on body camera. I don't care. Walk over here.
I'm waiting on my cab. I'm gonna leave with the taxi.
You're gonna wait till we're done. I don't know what nobody knows, but I know how I walk the road. Come to bed.
Hey, come on. I don't know what. Sorry.
Watch out.
Stop. Put it in handcuffs. I'm a get on the ground. You recording all this? Yeah, you recording all this? I'm not talking to you.
Stay in the car. Don't move.
A routine traffic stop in Aurora quickly turned into a disaster. The vehicle fled, causing a multi-car crash. The suspect then violently resisted, escalating the situation further. Confronting the law leads to only one outcome.
Get on the ground. Ready for this. Ready for this, huh? Ready for this, huh? Get on the ground. Ready for this.
What seemed like a minor incident at a Walmart quickly turned into chaos. When accused of theft, the man became aggressive and resisted. The situation escalated further when he sprayed pepper spray into an officer's face. Attacking police only caused him to pay a much heavier price than the original accusation.
I need you to fucking get clean. What happened, bro? Yeah. I'm a piece of shit. Yeah, you are.
Can you not spray water?
One seemingly harmless action caused everything to escalate in an instant. He splashed water on a police officer, then pretended nothing happened, refused to cooperate, and screamed. A single impulsive moment can cost you far more than you expect.
That's all you got. Can't tell you where you have to choose again. That's all you got, really.
What's going on? Hey.
A disturbing car theft involving an elderly victim. A woman he trusted and hired to help care for and clean his home stole his keys and drove off in his vehicle. Even after being located by police, she resisted. Following a pursuit, officers found and arrested her. Running from the law never ends well.
Turn it off.
I gotta go home.
My job.
No, because you have his truck.
Duh.
Turn the key off. Turn the key off. Turn the car off now.
No way. No.
You're gonna turn it off, you're gonna get tased.
I gotta go home.
You're gonna turn it off, you're gonna get tased.
Why?
Turn it off, or you're gonna get tased. Get that. Hey, get Kay now. We'll get Kay and come bring her up. Who's here? Anybody else here? Let's go. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Put your back. Put your hands behind your back. Okay, put your on top of this.
That's not true.
The officers coming out.
I was going through the middle. The steering wheel was catch up with the tire. They gotta fix that car. They gotta do examination on that truck, man. Okay. Oh my goodness.
Disorderly and intoxicated behavior outside a convenience store would soon lead to regret. When police arrived, she screamed, denied wrongdoing, and blamed everyone around her. Her actions only made the outcome far worse.
I came in here with a lot of money. Okay, he will not let me buy it. I tried to buy a pack of beer. He won't let me buy that. I came back with one twisted tea because I drank all the way up here. I drank none. And I was going to drink it right here with my friends. I'm not in a hard time. I have anxiety. And my medicine's over there, which is why I was trying to buy an alcohol. If there's anything else that, if there's anything else, I'm not resisting anything because you're not arrested because I've done nothing wrong. Look, I'm in my hometown. I drink a lot here. I wake up right here. I would buy beer. Apparently, I'm like going over here. I just a lot of money. Don't take it. I don't live anywhere near where I'm not getting nothing. I did. You ain't even. Yes, it's the county government said that.
A tense incident unfolded at an elementary school when a mother violated a school protection order. Despite being told to leave, she resisted, struggled, and attempted to keep her son with her. Uncontrolled emotions quickly turned the situation into chaos in front of students. Police intervention became unavoidable.
Back down. Back down. Listen, no, I'm not. Back down. Get your hand off that son. Get your hand off. Back down. You're abusing me. Back down. No, back down.
Here's what's going on, Kelly, okay? You're going to give me your arms and then we're going to talk about this.
No, you are backing down for one more day. You came to circuit court. It was back down. You are hurting me. You are being abusive to me. Yes, you are. We're just like that. You have to back down, but it's my son. You are too aggressive. You're scaring people off of days in school. That got you
Police were called for the third time in one night due to a couple continuing to fight. The woman cried, accused her boyfriend of being controlling, damaging property, and taking her belongings. Despite being told to separate to cool down, she returned to the room, yelling, struggling, and losing control. The situation crossed the line when she assaulted an officer, and she immediately paid the price for her actions.
I didn't stop him, bro. I just heard him call down on my radio.
What started as a simple speeding violation escalated when the man refused to cooperate. He argued, denied wrongdoing, questioned the officers, and refused to exit the vehicle. When officers requested further investigation due to a suspected marijuana odor, he became agitated and resisted. Driving away would soon make him regret his actions.
There's no weed in the car, they got nothing to worry about. It pulls up. Alright, step out of the car. Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! house in that corner is very hostile. Just want you to watch out for the occupants. Stay on the sidewalk. Stop. Stop moving. Stop moving. Stay against the car. Get in the goddamn car.
Just trying to go to Big Brent house.
Fleeing and using weapons to attack police resulted in consequences far beyond the original mistake. The law will not show leniency toward those who resist and assault officers.
Don't point it. Don't reach. Keep your hands behind your back. Don't move. I got you. Don't move. I did.
These moments prove one thing: messing with the wrong cops never ends well. What do you think about these encounters? Were the outcomes justified? Share your thoughts, like the video, and subscribe for more.